Hadin kejengnya kenduk jeng kinoy lam kesenjuk kinoy kai SSA bat kibor ketanat puli puthi balalam khmat do Commissioner and Secretary Vijay Kumar nak sorkar jela layo jeng tip banagi pratali kimat jeng dawa jeng kinoy kai SSA ka sorkar kala menjur santali habala bishar sani bahayaki. Commissioner ke puli puthi ula pentip ru baka sorkar India kala batai syai bakam don kejengnya per hapadeng kinoy kai skul sorkar bat kinoy kai skul SSA. Baru arkan hon kilong kawai hapok kabor bat kejingpet jong ke sorkar jela ulaong. Ubabu Aristotle Rimbai, President ke Meghalaya SSA School Association, ulai thu akinong thok khobor ye kini kerai jong ke sorkar jela baka don tang kawai kakin hon kinoy kai skul sorkar ha ke jela.
Mentakas ni hakan ni ka meeting ka ba ar ka bala khot da ka education department bat ka bala chair da u Sir Vijay Kumar Mantri Commissioner and Secretary jong ka education department haka jingin don lang jong i director of school education and literacy isar Swamil Tembe bat kumjuru haka jingin don lang i deputy state project director isar Andrew Wadri kabanong kong ila pentip shangi ka association kata caka Meghalaya SSA School Association bat ka Fourth Teachers Association kila ula pentip ba kamdon ar cadets katkum ka guidelines jong ka government of India Henry baro nado ka SSA bat ka government ma kidai ban hapo kawe ka management bat ka kata ka deka ka ban pay da ka government Henry hastin Meghalaya jongi la pentrikam baklaya kani bat lami kumni ar cadets ka bamut SSA cadets bat government cadets kata ka point number 1 ka ba ula pentip singi point number 2 ulong ba nakaliang jong ka state government kala yo pediang shibun kila ki chithi na ka Ministry of Education jong ka sarkar India hakabala direct yaki ba kin penbe yakani ka bakla they based on this letter but kumju ya ka ba nakaliang jongi ila dawa menta ban wanra ya ka policy na menta ka job security jong ki nohikai SSA hapo Meghalaya kumbale hakiwe ki state nakaliang jong ki menta kila shim ya ka sinjam kumno ban wanra ya ka neka policy kata ka point number 2 point number 3 nakaliang jong commissioner secretary lo pentip yangi na kito ki pratli ki mat ki bangila de ban summit haka first meeting ka bala ngila shong haka khat pratlik jong 9 November jong mentau snem na ki pratli daka education department have take into consideration 5 points. The further discussion regarding this 5 points will be on the next meeting, which is supposed to be held on the before Christmas, within this month of December. Hoy kita ki sangtali ki points ki bana kaliang jong ka government kala consider but include ha ka policy ka point number 1 kalong ban pentrai kam ya ka pay structure number ta ki nong hikai SSA but kumjuro ban enhance ya ka tulop jong ki nong hikai SSA as per existing policy or as per existing norms as far as concerned regarding the salary and regarding the payment of salary for government teachers kabamut kaba ila ong ba ka government can consider ya ketika kabangila ajimun nakaliang jong ka association ka revision of pay rules 2018 kata kare point number 1 ka point number 2 ka ba ila pentip yangi kalong ba nakaliang jong ka education department kan wanra kalani kan thub ha ka bai de kajing ajing munjungi nak bantaban wanra ya ka special package mo lani ka special package nak bata ka nak bata kitu kinong hikai kiban kibala jan karta ban shong thait kata ka point number 2 ka point number 3 ka ba nakaliang jong ki kila pentip yangi kalong ba Meghalaya School Education Service Rule kata ka point number 3 ka point number 4 kalong ba yakitu kinong hikai SSA kibala join prior to 23rd August 2010 kaba ngingila dawa badai ban pelai naki ya ka MTET kanero kala long under consideration but ka point number 5 kalong ba bakin na lor kani ka MTET bakin consider sa ka seated nakbanta ki nong hikai SSA tikini kilong kita ki santli ki points ki bana kaliang jong ka education department kali itu yang iba ka nakaliang jogi kin consider but further discussion on this will be there in the next meeting. Mapinong banseng la mano ka happe ya ka guidelines jong ka SSA. Pinging stick by nakaliang jong ka association as per guidelines but manual work jong ka SSA. Ka SSA ka ong kumno ba yakini ki nohika SSA dai bantung haki government school. Whereas hang ni state jongi kumba pi ong mentan la shu ailat kumtu bantung daki haki mission school, haki private school nang ta haki school shnong bat kumta teter. Te kata kadai mano bale ya kata kadai ka state jongi. Nakata ka wanno hani ka contradiction kai ya ka norms jong ka government of India but kala ya fair pat ka ba implementation hak state jong ma ka bai de bat kani kumba kalong menta since it is under discussion te nakaliang jong ngin patla ban yethu ipi kai te I think after the third meeting maybe the government official will give a press briefing
kan dan be kan kawai management kan
hoi kai ka bang stick menta nakaliang jong hi ka ong bikwa be it comes under one management and that is the government. Ayah kata, pihak mentang yang patla ban comments ayah kepada no comments. I bahkan one swaka kanika third meeting. After that kumbala pentip yang imani da commissioner secretary. Maybe after the third meeting nakaliang jong ka department kila ban ayah ka press briefing tu.
As of now, the concern is they rationalize. No, concern but when collecting data for every teachers and schools, that will be done from the side of the government. Of course, we may help to some extent, but this is one of the biggest part that the education department should do it as soon as possible. This is what we need from all the kinds of teachers, SSA, and for us for teachers also. And to make it clear, one another thing is I'm here on behalf of the 4 teachers that regularization is not much a matter for teachers. That is, make it clear from Sir Director today also that for teachers, they are already under education department. And this is just to make clear to all the 4 teachers also. And then these are the same points that we are discussing together today. And there are still lots of things that maybe we can say that we cannot expose as of now. We're still under discussion. So only this, I think. Thank you.